I don't even know what this is yet. On the poopy wheels. Been sitting here. Yo, pop the hood, pop the hood. Poop Jay-Z.
Poop Jay-Z.
Get everybody, hold up. Hold this for a second. Let me do this real quick. This thing, god damn. Battery, Lexus, 2002 IS300. What?
Is it to the subs?
Yeah, I fucked already, I know.
Well, do you have subs?
Kind of.
Oh. Okay. I was gonna say, let's just fucking cut that out.
Oil, gas. This thing's been sitting. Let's see what happens. Take you guys along for the ride. It hasn't been started in a while. Need to get some gas in it. Need to get the battery in it. See if it'll turn over. Hopefully it's all good. Let me show you guys the interior real quick. Have yet to detail this. Bought it hoping to keep it alive, but I've just let it sit, unfortunately. But this thing's pretty clean, I can't lie. It's pretty damn clean. That background noise is gonna be pretty annoying. Either way, I am excited to get this Lexus underway. I've definitely disrespected it and haven't been taking care of it, but I bought it knowing that I'm gonna save it. It's got 287,000 miles on it. Absolute flip-flop compared to the Z with less than 50 on it. But yeah, this thing's old. It's in decent condition. Unfortunately, buying it though, I didn't realize that the front fender right here is a different color. And you can see that pretty clearly. I mean, maybe you got the right eye for cars, but it's different color. It's a little bit off place too. The body line isn't perfect. But I don't know. It's a manual 5-speed. Everything's factory except for the intakes right here, which are poopy. But I don't know. Overall, I think it's a pretty clean purchase. I personally think I spent a little too much. But I'm gonna clean this thing up. Oh, I got a short shifter as well. That's also not OEM, but taillight's cracked. Bumper's messed up. Didn't think there was any accidents on the record. I was asking him about it and he said there wasn't, and I checked later and there was, but it is what it is. Some people... What? Why? Because it's been sitting for so long. Yep. That's good. Was it lights? Yeah, yeah. We like that. Alright, put some gas in there. Yeet. One more for good measure. Will it start? That's the question.
I'm hopeful.
I guess we didn't check the oil yet. Let's check the oil real quick.
Because if you hold it,
How does it look?
it's full. No, that oil looks good.
Did you just do like a splash in there? Say hi.
It seems full. No, it's full.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I don't think you.
How does that?
That doesn't even look bad. The guy might have done an oil change before he sold it to you.
Not too bad.
That's not.
And then the freaking timing, which is kind of weird. Someone tell me if this is a scam or not. Is this fake? Is this real? No, I think it's real. I'm kidding. But I don't know. It's just, yeah, here, take this from me. I gotta stop talking.
Turn that shit over.
Short shifter. Lights, noises, gauges, wipers.
Wipers.
Oh god, stop that. So no crank.
Try it again.
Should we try to Chevy get over it, tap it a little bit.
What do you mean?
Tap it while I try to start it. Have you ever seen that with an old Chevy?
No, but we could try it.
Yeah, let me see if we can do that. I'm gonna look some up real quick. Will this start? Should I give it another minute?
No, send it. See what happens.
It's not even clicking.
Do it one more time.
All right, couple problems. We didn't tighten down the terminals all the way. That could be problem number one. Problem number two is the battery that I bought like a month ago could be dead, so that could be another problem. Or it could be the starter, or it could be worse. So there's a couple of options here. Yeah. So we're gonna see. It's only been like a minute. Should we give it a second?
I at least stick the key in and make
I think it was saying it was supposed to be at like 12,
12,
like
yeah.
12.5 to like 14. So we are still a little low.
just try to crank it, I guess. Oh, it just went down a little bit when you tried that. All right, take the key out.
All right, we're gonna give it a couple more minutes.
let
Give
it
it a couple
charge.
more minutes. I was just on the phone, man, this morning. Wanted to really get this thing started after yesterday. Talked to him about some possibilities. Went over some stuff. And was just on the phone with Ryan. I wish I got some videos of it. Was waiting, taking my time, trying to let it start. Ryan's like, go in there. Just start it. You got somewhere to go. This thing just starts. I honestly don't even know what to say, so. Lexus has started, though. Check mark. Sounds so bad. It's alright though. Oh my god. So bad. Consistent, subtle screaming, and then the brakes sound like sandpaper on a chalkboard. It's terrible over here. Poor thing. I've just disrespected her. Oh, bad shift. No, you guys have not seen this. I mean, you've seen it if you've been on the Instagram and stuff, and if you obviously know me, you might have seen little sneak peeks. Yes, I'm introducing the Lexus Is300 right now. It has way too many miles. It's in pretty decent condition. She's been sitting. I haven't been taking care of her, unfortunately. I have big plans for her. Save it for the most part. It's got 287,000 miles. This thing's gonna need love. It's got a clean chassis, pretty clean underneath, a lot of miles. So I want to revive this car. I want it to be a fun street, not missile, but decent horsepower. I don't know if the two JZ is gonna stay in here, if it's gonna be a one JZ. I'm excited. I'm very happy this is running right now. I definitely got some major maintenance things to do on it, but she's running pretty smooth right now. I cannot lie. Giving me no problems as of yet. I mean, we've only been on the road for a couple minutes now, but we'll see. I'm just not used to this quiet exhaust either. It's so weird. A short shifter. It's kind of crazy, honestly, shifting with it. Goes kind of wild, low key. Like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. All right, we're gonna see what's up with this shift knob right now. Might be changing it, might not be changing it. We'll see. So what is it, Mishimoto?
I think so.
We'll see what's up with this.
She's heavy though.
I low-key don't want to change it, but I don't know. You think I should?
Yeah.
Obviously you think I should.
Where's the whole thing? Just like, oh. Yeah, I guess. Careful of these. Those are all gonna be hooked up to shit too. Uh-oh, that's not good. Oh, okay. Stack.
So we gotta use the pop clip tab right there and get this disconnected without damaging it, hopefully. How does it pop off?
Okay, we'll just get it with your hand. Yeah, take a look at it. Sorry, that's actually where I have more leverage.
So, can't get the plastic clip off. It's being a pain in the butt. We're just gonna send it. The white tape is to prevent this from stripping. We'll see how that one goes. Ryan's gonna help me out and twist the knob off. Where's the other knob? Right here. And we'll see how this fits, if it fits. Might be doing all this for nothing. Here we are. Got the poopiest angle up the whole time. Mishimoto. So what do you think?
Yeah, this is way too light.
Way too light.
Whoa.
What? R.I.P. I do kind of like it. I don't know.
And
Heads up.
an adapter.
Let me see that. I see.
It's just nice, and when you're
Well, there you have it. It doesn't fit. R.I.P. Thank you, sir. We got the Lexus in the garage here. Windshield wiper fluid, windshield wipers, cleaning the air intake, oil change. Need to get tires. Thing still needs more love. That needs to go. So we got the cleaner right here. And we got the oil right here. So I'm about to spray the filter with this, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, let it dry completely, and then we're gonna be slapping this on there after. I feel like I don't want to go too crazy. There we go. Now we let it sit. Boom. Oh, I messed up burning. Oh, that was last thread. Clearly wasn't. Alrighty, so I'm underneath the Nissan, or the Lexus, and unfortunately it is looking slightly disturbing, pretty sludgy. I'm a little scared. I don't know what that is. Looks like it could be a gasket. The oil looks pretty poopy. The alternator looks like it's kind of burnt. Bunch of sludge everywhere. So, I don't even know, honestly. What to do? Could use some help, honestly. If someone wants to give me some information on where this sludge could be coming from, or if they see something that I don't see, like what's going on with this gasket here? Why is it flopping around in the wind? I don't know. Big and small spot. Got the filter loose. All right, let's see how this goes. Look at how dumb of an idea this is. Oh my This is terrible. I didn't realize that it was gonna be this difficult to do an oil change behind the car. Oil filter goes there. Oil drops down there, splashes over here, goes over here, hits this a bit, drops down here, trickles all over here. Bro, whose idea was this? Clean filter, oil change, windshield wipers, fluid. The poop vehicle is running still. Thank you for the help, sir. Appreciate you.